Welcome to STEM Quick Wins. These quick, hands-on activities are all about exploring science in fun and simple ways. Color Hunt. Look around. We live in a very colorful world. We can see all these different colors because when light waves hit an object or material, some of the waves are absorbed or taken in by the material, and other waves are reflected or bounce off of the material. Our eyes make sense of the reflected light, which we interpret as different colors.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're doing a color hunt.
Yeah, let's go!
Gather a set of items of different colors, like paint sample cards or markers. Look around the room, building, or outside, try to find something that matches each color.
Look, I found red! Look, Patches the cat is black. Oh, I found it, orange! Gotta find purple. Where is it? Oh, found it! Purple! Blue, blue, blue. I found it! Now I need to find gray. Oh, I found it! Ooh, look, this rock is the same color.
The activity further by collecting multiple items of each color of the rainbow. Then arrange the items on the ground or table to make a color wheel.